Hey Fit Club friends, so I just did the other sneak peek hammer and chisel workout on Beachbody On Demand, and it was so good. Like, it was a different format, I guess, than I was used to. Like, you do 20 reps total, but the first 10, it's like you go slow, fast. So you go 1, 2, 3, release. So you do 10 like that, and then you do 10 fast, like 1, 2, 3. Does that make sense? So yeah, that was good. That was tough. I need to write the weights down and figure out what the best weight for me is at for each exercise, because that's a lot of reps. So yeah, we will definitely be doing ISO, I forget what it's called, ISO something, the one with Sagi, the gigantic bodybuilding man. We will definitely be doing that later this month, so keep your eyes peeled on when to bring weights. And a reminder, we do need to bring weights tomorrow, the 5th, because we will be doing the hammer and chisel sneak peek workout, the one with Autumn. I think it's called Total Body Chisel. I don't know, whatever. We'll be doing it. I'm excited. See you tomorrow.